like any other student, he started off as a student, cracked the IIT JEE, went on to crack the CAT, and then got his dream job in Goldman Sachs. And there, he basically became an investment banker, was there in Hong Kong, and something told him to write a book about his life at the IIT Delhi. And he wrote that book, and that book we all know of is 5 Point Someone. And there you had the birth of Mr. Chetan Bhagat. So I would like to introduce Chetan. He's there with me. Chetan, floor is yours. Go ahead.
Thank you, Sanjay ji, for having me. And of course, there is nothing like meeting people face to face. And I really miss doing live events in auditoriums where all of you guys would have been there. But it is still nice to know that we have such a big group here. The definition of winner and loser does not come from the world. And particularly when it comes to competitive exams, particularly when it comes to Indian competitive exams, there's like a million people who apply for the exam, and there are less than 1,000 jobs of civil services. Now imagine, even if you say 1,000, even if you count 1,000 out of a million, what are the odds of getting it? And now if you want an IAS, there may not be even 100, it's less than 100, maybe 50. So now you're a million people giving the exam, and supposing you came 102, are you a loser? Or supposing you came 1,001 out of a million, that is a 99.9 percentile. But the 1,001 person is not getting a job, any job. I think that is to say that is to basically say that 99% of a population are losers, and that's incorrect, and that is not true. When I had to write a book, there was no entrance exam for books. When I write a movie, there is no Bollywood JE. There is just your work that talks. And ultimately, as you get older and older in life, you will realize that it is who you are as a person that will determine where you end up in life. The real performers are those who work, not those who make it to an entrance exam. So those are just my opening remarks and answering the question related to the title, which I must say was the most intriguing title I've ever had. Now, if you're a young person, there is no time to pass. Time is your biggest asset. Time is where you make your life. But if you just believe in time pass, not just the time pass when you are stressed and you just want a little break, that's understandable. That's again for a purpose. But if you generally live a life of time pass, and if lockdown for you means chill, then that is where problems will begin. You're not listening to me for my maths problems. I mean, I probably can't even solve a JE maths problem if you just gave me out of the blue. So it's different. It's a different. People are reading my books because I can make them feel something. I can make them feel emotion. I can make them feel. So what intelligence is that? Which entrance exam is testing that? Or communication ability? Which exam is testing that? Or marketing ability? Or building a brand? So it's different for different things. You need to be really good at whatever you do. Do you know, hundreds of people meet me and say, I want to write a book. You can imagine all my entire career, how many people like must have met me. And I ask them, okay, so write a bad book, but write it. They're like, time nahi milta. We don't get time. And now I say, well, where are you guys now? Abhi lockdown hai. Abhi likho baith ke. Kisne mana kiya aapko? So what they were lacking was not the time. They were lacking the discipline. What is discipline? I like to keep things simple. Discipline is doing it when you don't feel like doing it. Doing something when you don't feel like doing something. That's discipline. When you feel like doing it, it's great. If you're motivated to, go to the gym or study, awesome. Good for you. But people who win finally are people who have discipline, which means they do it on days they don't feel like doing it.
Correct. And in fact, just to fortify your point, if you take
Yeah.
sport, if you take
Yeah.
sport as the place where
Yes.
you're going to measure, I think success in sport comes only after losing many times. So you have to have the perseverance and the discipline to train and train hard till the time you make it big and make the cut. So it's a continuous perseverance which actually matters, which comes from discipline. Am I right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, look at it this way. My ready book has not been released, but I have to sit down every day again now and write another book. And I'm writing it because that's what I need to do to have discipline. I want to party. I want to come to book launch party. I want people to take pictures. I want to put my picture of my book on Instagram. I don't want to sit and write another book, but I'm doing it.
To sum it all, be positive, be disciplined. I think that's one key message that Chetan said. Look at those micro successes. Every time you sleep in the night, think about, have I achieved what I wanted to? And let those achievements be small. Let those targets be small. And those summation of those small targets takes you to the big target.